Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from BodyCamPOV, and the title of the video is "Woman Terrorized a Homeless Shelter Doesn't End Well." Come on, man. Like, where are your morals at? Where you got any code, any principles that you abide by in life? You know what I'm saying? Like, that you make up for yourself. You messing with homeless people? That's where society has gotten. Come on, man. We gotta do better. Let's go.
You got a bra on?
Nope. Never do.
Maybe to get her out of here, get her away from everyone. Hopefully she doesn't come back again. You were
On January 24th, 2022, in Athens, Georgia, officers were dispatched in reference to a person that has been trespassed from the local homeless shelter. Apparently, she's been causing a disturbance by threatening, spitting on people, and drinking out of the bird bath. Let's jump into it.
boom, right there, money.
Okay, a young lady come over here and wanted to ask for a cigarette. Told her nobody has a cigarette for her.
Are you Thomas?
Yes, I am.
I'm Officer Ellswick, this is Officer Nally.
Yes. And then because of that, she threatened, she goes, I'm gonna kill y'all.
Okay.
And went bang, bang, bang like her fingers. She goes, I'm bloody American, I'm this, and that. Then she spit in her hair. All right. Claiming she spit inside her bag. She's been over here yesterday calling a problem.
Okay. Is it that young lady over there with the red hat?
Red hat over there.
Okay.
I used to work here. This was a car yesterday when they came out for that same lady, and the officer barred her from the property.
Was she here today?
She was over here on the property. This guy here worked here too. He seen her on the property, and
Okay.
they barred her. So
where was she on the property?
George,
She
where
went
was
over
she at on the property?
over into the bird bath drinking. She went over drinking out of the bird bath and all that.
262 Central.
Hey, not worth it. Not worth it.
Okay.
Love your ink, by the way.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go over there and talk to her. Do you guys want to prosecute if
Absolutely.
Okay. Hey. Okay. Big boy trying to run down. I see the game now. I peeped the little slick movement now. Well, oh, I like your earrings, by the way. Oh, okay. I see you, my boy. I see. Hey, you know what I'm saying? He worked for the homeless shelter. You know what I'm saying? He a good guy. My guy, a good guy, man. He trying to run down on the female cop, man. I see him, man. I see the movement. I like it.
She went over
at on the property?
over into the bird bath drinking. She went over drinking out of the bird bath and all that.
262 Central.
Hey, not worth it. Not worth it.
Okay.
Love your ink, by the way.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go over there and talk to her. Do you guys want to prosecute if
Absolutely.
you do? Okay.
The red hat, blue shirt.
Yes, sir. I mean, I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're fine. She's saying, murder people.
Come on now. You messing it up.
Thank you.
Oh, is that Miss Bilbo? What's going on, Miss Bilbo? How you doing, man? What? Huh?
She hit me with a phone.
Who?
That fat with no teeth
Okay. Where'd she hit you?
in my head,
Where?
back here.
Back there? Okay.
All I did was spit by her bag. I didn't spit on her.
Okay.
All right.
What's your name?
So you were over there earlier, Miss Bilbo?
I mean, I'm homeless right now.
Yeah. But you were over there at Bigger Vision?
Sure.
Yeah.
Not his property. I was on the wall.
On the where?
On the wall.
Like the wall, like.
The stone wall.
Okay. So.
She needs to go to jail.
Huh? All right.
All three need to go to jail.
Okay. Well, Miss Bilbo, you are barred from Bigger Vision, right? What?
I was on the wall. I was on the sidewalk.
Okay. I'm hearing otherwise from the employees.
Assaulted me.
No, from the employees, man.
Okay, now I won't go back to Bigger Vision.
Okay. Well, they've already barred you once.
No, it was a new day.
All right. The barring is valid.
What did I do?
260 Central. Can you confirm the barring on, please?
Then you shut down homeless shelter.
All right.
Because people that assaulted me yesterday and tried to kill me came from there for her. Shut your homeless shelter down. Shut it down.
I got one more grandbaby. I hope it's a
Y'all
flood.
fired me. Shut your shit down.
I hope it's a flood.
Y'all ain't no big vision.
Hey, so Miss Bilbo,
I'm a burger.
you're what?
I'm I'm a bird right now, what?
All right.
I'm a Johnny Bird, baby.
You're a Johnny. Okay. So, the barring is still valid. It's valid for 2 years. All right. So, Miss Bilbo, we are gonna have to arrest you today for criminal trespass. All right?
I didn't trespass.
You were over there, Miss Bilbo. Please don't do this. It could be obstruction too. Don't make it obstruction too. Okay? Thank you.
That's bull. Y'all keep me overnight, I'ma hurt y'all. I mean that.
Well, that's gonna be up to the jail. All right? So don't be making any threats like that. All right?
Listen, why is she complaining? She just said she homeless. See, when I first seen this video, you know, reading the title and everything, I'm thinking it's a regular, you know, a person probably working or something like that that's picking on homeless people. You know, no, this is beef between the homeless blocks. You know what I'm saying? Listen, this is like, you know, when you got like the, you know, the maybe the gangs or the drug dealers and stuff like that, and they got their own block, they got their own turf, you know? Hey, this is like the homeless version. You know, you got them on this side, you got the other ones on that side. They beefing. They probably beefing right now. They going through it, you know what I mean? So, with that being said, she should be happy that she going to jail, man. You know what I mean? Hey, listen, they might let you out or whatever, but, you know, hopefully not. You know what I mean? Because you got 3 meals. You know what I'm saying? She says she homeless, so she get 3 free meals, electricity. You know what I'm saying? You get a bed that you get to sleep on. We don't know where. You might be sleeping on the street. You said you homeless. So at least you gonna have you a nice thin mattress. That mattress gonna be so thin. It's gonna be like sleeping on metal. You hear me? But at least you ain't outside. You know what I mean?
Y'all gonna arrest them too?
What? We're gonna go back there and talk to them about that. But here,
What?
about the statements that you've made, okay?
We don't hit the police in Alaska.
You definitely don't hit God in the flesh.
Okay.
Come on now.
All right, so we're gonna walk back over to our vehicle, all right?
We respect the police out here, man. I don't know where you from.
I think respect the police. If I'm going with them, ain't I? Y'all shut it.
Yeah, we're
See, she from her block. They not even rocking
I'm
with
going
her.
back to jail yet again for y'all. Yeah, I'm
All
bloody
right,
as hell
deuces.
right now. That whole damn camp needs to be arrested. They tried to molest me. Trying to arrest me. The whole camp in the woods over there. This whole division needs to be arrested. They all come at me. They all hurt me. But this is my property.
This is your property?
I'm Native American, yeah.
Okay.
Oconee River's mine. Y'all better make this shit quick. Because I got to do.
Well, as long as we don't have any troubles when we get to the jail.
You even got to put me in handcuffs. That's bull-
Well, that is part of our policy. That's department policy.
Still.
All right, well, we'll take it up with the chief.
Chief of who? Yeah, I'm the chief. What?
All right.
Y'all want me in that holding cell again? I promise you're going to regret it. Bitch, put that cigarette out. It's smoking on my people. Look at that. That's the devil right there. That's the devil.
We're gonna walk over here on the curb.
Watch
your step.
I got a snake for you. I'm
No.
dragon.
No, we're gonna go to the other side. There we go.
Yeah, you playing with Holy
Face
Ghost.
back tire, please, ma'am. Okay.
Y'all think it's funny?
Miss Bilbo, do you have any items in your
I
pocket?
got it on me.
You don't got it? All right. So Officer Nally here just has to search you
Pat
down
me
real
there
fast.
yet again. Don't turn back on.
Let it go.
It's that ain't that.
Robert.
Oh, she's flipping out the Holy Ghost.
Face the car. Keep your head facing that way.
Mark of the beast. Mark of the beast. All of it.
Let it go, Bart.
Mark of the beast. All of it.
Let it go, Bart.
Mark of the beast. You in tribulation now. You ain't got shit. Keep laughing. You don't know my name. I'm like, I am. I'm the I am. You don't got my name. I don't exist.
Guys.
You ain't got my name.
Do you have a driver's license on you?
Sir.
Do you have a driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Do you want to renew the barring for another 2 years?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can you describe exactly where she was on the property?
She was walking down through there. I saw her personally.
Okay.
Yeah, she was drinking out the bird feeder.
At the
Which
bird
is
feeder?
right- yeah, right
Yeah.
over
Man, shut that damn voice down. Y'all barred me.
You got a bra on?
Nope. Never do.
TMI, TMI, man.
You ain't seen shit. I don't see it. I'm a ghost.
I was like, do you mind unlocking it?
Sorry.
You going to jail,
Turn
bitch.
around and face me.
You assaulted me. Mark of the beast. I mean that.
All right, turn around and face me. I need to check your shoes.
That's my niece's shoes. My sister just died in October from a car accident.
Careful,
That girl has AIDS.
We'll be careful.
She spit on me.
I spit by your bag. Tell another lie.
Where'd she spit on you at?
I'm back.
Okay, can I see?
Okay. Unfortunately,
Wow.
On my jacket or in my hair.
I didn't spit on your back. She lying like hell. That's probably cum.
Negative. Okay, yeah, I don't see anything. Are you gonna be all right though? Okay. Yeah. I think for right now, the best thing is just gonna be to get her out of here, get her away from everyone, and hopefully she doesn't come back again.
Oh, where they at, man? They searching the shoes and everything. They don't do that on the street.
Sorry. Okay.
Great appreciation, sir.
Yep.
All right, stick your foot in there.
I ain't never seen that done.
Almost in this one.
Man, I'm straight up African American right now. I'm Black Dutch.
Dutch.
Why does it make that noise?
You're always asking about these noises. Just stop asking questions. Accept things for what they are, maybe. You know? I'll type the ABR while we drive.
Just criminal trespass. Criminal trespass. Do I need to update it to 95 instead of 26?
Yeah, just so I know we're 1095 and we're out to the jail.
Okay.
Well, hopefully we get in, get out, and don't have any problems, right?
Last night they held me hostage.
Okay.
Didn't give me a blanket or nothing.
So the jail will be able to take care of you when we get there.
They better.
5 Central.
I got a room waiting on me. I got people waiting on me. I was gonna go to Salvation Army.
We're 1095 and en route to 600 with 1 female.
You don't deserve no water.
What is it?
68872.
Y'all going back to get her. She assaulted me.
We had a conversation with her about that.
She needs to be arrested.
Everything's going to be documented in the report, all right?
She needs to go to jail.
Ultimately, we make that determination if who goes to jail, right, Miss Bilbo?
I'm not a Bilbo.
What are you right now, Miss Bilbo?
I am the IAM.
Okay.
Judge
Okay.
me. That's like the 4th time she's come at me. And the same thing with that woman with the scar. They've tried to hurt me several times.
All right, well, if you're barred from over there...
I was on the sidewalk. I wasn't in the property.
No. That's not what we heard.
I don't care what you heard. They
Okay.
lie. I gotta make it to Salvation Army by 5 o'clock.
We're going to be hard-pressed to make that time, heck. It's just one. Just criminal trespass.
For what? I didn't even go in their property. I went
Why
to
go back and forth with
Yeah,
her?
they're
Like,
best on
just
their property.
come on,
That's the
man.
garden.
You are entitled to your opinion, Miss Bilbo.
I'm what?
You are entitled to your opinion.
I know that.
Yeah.
A homeless shelter bars God. That's sad. They better make this shit quick. I got shit to do. I got things to do. I still got a cut in my hand. Y'all's jail did not even give me Tylenol last night. I got hit my head several times. The nurse ignored me. I want a job. I definitely call my mama and get an Uber. They better give me my phone call as soon as I get there.
Where's your mama live?
Buckhead, Georgia.
Buckhead?
Morgan County.
All right.
But right now she's in Winder running errands with my brother. My brother's got a blood clot in his lung.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, he's close to death. We just lost my sister in October. It's cold here. You put my shirt down.
What a time to be alive that was. COVID, man.
The suspect was booked for criminal trespass. What do you think about this incident? Comment.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.